Is it on?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is our bus.
It's a 1997 Ford B800. It's got a Cummins 12 valve turbo diesel in it with an Allison 4-speed transmission. Yeah, let's give you a little tour of it.
Well, hey guys.
So this is the entrance to the school bus. These are our beautiful stairs. I walk us up into the cabin. This is our instrument panel right here. It's got a nice elegant white to it. Over here we have our main for our switches. Has a nice wood veneer behind it. This is the view out the front of our bus.
And it's quite a view when you're driving to have this kind of windshield.
So let's go outside real quick and we'll hear the horn. Yeah, she's loud. Let's start this up. So now, let's get to
washing. Where are you starting?
right here.
Okay, so now we're going to unscrew this back emergency door. We don't know what's behind it, so we're crossing our fingers. It's nothing nasty, no bugs, no dead things. I have high hopes.
It's like, what do you think's inside?
I don't know. It could be an Easter basket.
Could be an Easter basket.
Or it could be like a nest.
Or a million nests.
Or a catacomb.
Could be a
the
catacombs. Could be filled with wasps, spiders, bears, oh my.
Maybe there's chocolate.
There could be chocolate. Did you open this already and put chocolate in there for us?
Could you imagine?
That'd be nice. It looks way better, babe.
Yeah. Okay, moment of truth.
Ba-dum-ba-ba-dum-ba-bum-bum-bum. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's insulation. Nice. Nice.
So like, is this like usable space? Could we like take that out and like?
Well, all behind that is electrical for the backlights.
Okay.
So close that up and we can eventually probably frame that out on the inside with wood.
Hey guys, so we're making some steady progress with the bus. We just finished wiping down all the ceilings and the crevices. We unscrewed here, check under here. Just insulation, it's all good too. No bugs or any dead stuff, so that's cool. Yeah, I'm just taking a break and kind of thinking about what we want to do next. I took off these padded liners that were below all the windows. This one I'm gonna hold off on. I'm debating on keeping it. And the same for this one by the door. I'm thinking maybe I could do maybe just some sort of fabric. Yeah, and just punch the screws right through, but just put some cool kind of fabric over those, depending on what, how we design the space. I don't know. Anyway, it's super exciting because every day there's just tons to think about, to talk about, and has our minds creating, and we're really excited to just develop this space. And we appreciate you following along, joining in on this journey, because I think it's really cool to share. We're really excited. Yeah, so stay tuned.